Hi everyone, welcome to the Cyber Intelligence. With me, Raj. Today we are going with the subnetting. In the last video, we saw about the IP address, IPv4, IPv6, private IP, public IP, static, dynamic, and the most important classes. So today we are going for the subnetting. Let's see what we are learning in today's class. So what is subnet mask? What is subnetting? And why use subnet? Let's go now. First, subnet mask. So if you are here, subnet mask means this is the IP address, IPv4 address. This is divided in two parts. This is the one part. This is the network part. Means identifying the particular host from which network he is belonging. And the next part is the host. Means the if we identify the network, so this is the host number. Example, if one village, this is the network, and the village is divided into a particular areas, ward and the area, colonies like. So colonies means the subnet, and the host means the addresses, our home. So that is this network is identify the village in the colony, and the this is the host address is identify the our house number. So come to the theory part. A subnet mask will reveal how many bits in the IP address are used for the network by masking the network portion of the IP address. Let's go to the next. Okay, this is the not much important table, but if you see or read properly, um, you can easily understand the subnetting. So there are the five classes: class A, class B, class C, class D, and class E. So come to the class A. The class A is the range is 0 to 127, and this is the 8 octals. Means this is the octals, all the 4 octa. So there are 4 octa means the 2, this 2, this 2 number. Okay, I tell you 1 octa, 1 octa. This is the binary number. Okay, in the class A, only first number, first byte we can be edit, means we can be changed. Another 7 we can't change. So come with the here. There are 4 octas. So first octa is denoted the network, and another 3 is the host. This is the default mark. Come to the class B. The range is 128 to 191. So this also divided in the 4 octa. Okay, so here we can change the two numbers only. Okay, and this 2 octa is denoted the network, and 2 is host. Another is a default mask. Oops, sorry. Come to this class C. The range is 192 to 223. There is also 4 octa. This 3 number we can be changed. Another 5 we can't change. This is the 3 octa is denoted the network, and this the remaining one is the host. This is the default mask. We can see 255.255.255.0. Come to the D and E. The D and E is the range is 224 to 239. This is the also, but it is the multicasting, and the E class is also experimental. Come to the next. Okay, this is the simple picture in your screen. I am giving one short example of the subnetting. What is subnetting and why we are using in a particular company? Example, I am the owner of the one company, and I have so many departments like account. As you see here, I have account department, HR department, and engineering department, and marketing department. So if all departments are work together, so all work are mixed up, and all files are mixed up, all emails also. So I'm not it's difficult to find out the which work is belonging from which department. Okay, so I did so many mistakes. That's why what I doing, I did whole network are divided into the this net sub networks, the account department and the engineering department and the network marketing department. So it will be make easy to understand all work about my company. I hope for that I'm using that we are using the subnet. Come to the next. Okay, let's see some theoretical portion. A subnet or subnetwork is a segment piece of a large network. More specifically, subnet are logical partition of any IP network into multiple smaller segments. If you are properly read this, so you can get the answer. The logical partition. Partition means division. The network we can be divided into a multiple smaller segments. Yes, this is the one line answer. If in your interview in exam will be asked, no, just remember one thing: the logical partition of IP network into multiple smaller segments. That's it. Okay, the internet protocol IP is the method for sending data from one computer to another over the internet. Yes, I agree. In the last video, we will see actually each computer or host on the internet has at least one IP address as a unique identifier. Yes, come to the next part. Okay, need for IP addressing and subnetting in computer networking session. Okay, this is some complicated you see. Okay, the last picture is simply easy, but there also I am making simple. This is the network. It's divided into two parts. So it's a network A and this is the network B. Yes, right. So network A have the one more network. Okay, A1, A2 and A3. Also, we also have the three networks B1, B2 and the B3. This is the sub networks are divided like this. I hope you understand guys. Thank you for your time. In last, if you not understand, so I'm simply give you one more example of the subnetting. Imagine you have your college is the network and the for the your principal for the, your college trustee. This is difficult to manage all college. So what they do? They did the partition of your college in the sections like science, art, commerce, and IT section. So this is the subnettings and you are the host. So first we are going to the section, then after class and identify this is the year and this is the your roll number is your host address. That's it. Thank you for your time guys. Please subscribe our channel for the more news, learning new concept, podcast with the professionals and YouTube guidance. Thank you.